Hello, in this video I'm going to show you mail merge. Mail merge is an intermediate advanced feature of Microsoft Word. It's a combination of a database and a Word document. So what I'm going to show you first is how to create the database. For this assignment, we're going to be using Excel. Excel is one of the products of Microsoft Office. Okay, and I have Excel in front of us right now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to type first name, what is given in the lesson in class, okay? Last name, subject, class period, and average grade. Average, average grade. Okay, as you can see, Excel is made of columns and rows. In order for us to expand the size of a column, we have to move the mouse pointer between the columns, like A and B. There is a line between. If I place my mouse pointer there, my mouse pointer becomes a double arrow. Then I can home the left button and I move it and I can expand the size of the column. Okay? So far, if you take a look of this, it pretty much this is very similar to Word. The home tab is still there, like Microsoft Word, and you have the most important icons too, like bold, italic, underline, align center, align right, align left. Okay. Now, in this file we have to type what is given to you in class. For example, here the first name, the first student will be Bill, the second one will be Sue, the third one will be Jamal, and the last one will be Kisha. Okay, you have to complete all of these, and then you gotta save it in my documents as a mail merge. This what I'm talking to you right now is provided in the lesson. Now I already have done this for you. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open everything and I'm gonna click on the file, mail merge. The file has already been created for this lesson. Okay, we have first name, last name, subject, class period, and average grade. Now, under each one of them, we have names, last names, the different classes that the students are taking, and the periods they are attending to. Now, I'm gonna start with the letter. The letter I already typed it to. Now, the letter is about students to the parents of, that would be Bill, last name would be White. So, right now you see a document that has like first name in brackets, last name in brackets, and some of the other like class period, subject, average grade. Now, if you take a look of each one of these names, these are going to be related to the database you just created, like average grade, class period, subject, last name, and first name. When we're doing the merge, we are not using. We're gonna be mail merge is gonna merge every first name from the database, every last name from the database, every class period for the student, every subject for each one of the students. So now I'm going to proceed to show you mail merge. I'm going to delete these two because I'm going to insert the commands. These are commands, by the way. These commands are telling Excel if I use the first name, print each one of the first name you have in your database. If I'm using the last name command, bring me and print each one of the last names in your database. We have only 40 students right now, but if we have 20 or 30 students, mail merge will create 30 or 40 letters for each one of the members of the database. To start mail merge, we have to go to mailings. We have to go to start mail merge. Then we have to use the step-by-step mail merge wizard. We're there. Then we have to follow 6 steps. And the first step is step 1 of 6, starting document. Okay, you click here. You have to make sure it's a letter. You click on next, starting document. Now, on the second one, it says use the current document. The document has already been typed. Okay, now I'm going to click on the next one. Now, next, select recipient. The word recipient is where the database is. Okay, so I'm going to click on browse. My database is in my desktop. Okay, I already saved it as a mail merge right there. I'm going to click on OK. Now, I'm going to click on OK again. As you can see now, the database is going to be uh, imported, but you see that for each one of them we have the last name, first name, subject, class period, average grade. You click on OK now. Now we are in a step. We have to click on the step 3 of 6. Next, write your letter. Okay. Now we have here on the step 4 of 6, we have this bunch of commands or areas of mail merge. We must click on more items. Now, to the parents of first name, click on insert, click on close. Now press the space bar, put a space between the first name and the last name. The reason why you do this is because you don't write first name and last name all together. There must be a space between first name and last name. And then we have to keep adding. Now, more items, we have to go last name and click on insert. Click on close, and I'm going to start looking for the different types of headers. I mean, for the names of each one of the columns, right? I'm going to go first name here. Okay, I click on more items, click on first name, insert, close. Then I keep going. First name is there. Now, class period. I'm going to erase these. These are my reference points, so I know which one of the items from the database I have to bring. Name, class period. Click on insert. Click on done. Now let's keep going. Subject. The subject is going to be more items. Subject, insert. Click on close. Now we have first name. The first name must be close to the apostrophe because it's about possession, right? Now I'm going to click on more items, average grade, click on insert. Okay, I insert twice. Only one, and okay, I think I'm done unless I'm confused with average grades. The average. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, I have to insert this average grade again here. Click insert, click on close. Now we have to go and use. And now we have to click on step 4 or 6. Preview your letter. As you can see, we have the letter. The first student, Bill White, is being imported. And let's double check. Bill White, subject math, first period, and average grade 98. Is that true? Let's see it. So first period math class at this time 98. Average at this time. Oh, here I made a mistake. To correct this, I have to go previous, more items, first name. Okay. So we have the information for each one of the students. At this point, only one has been created. We have to click on next, complete the merge. Now only one file is created. We have to click on edit individual letters. All must be selected. You click on OK. Now the letter for all the members of the database will be created. So we have the first one is to the parents of Bill White. The second one is to the parents of Sue Brown. The third letter is for the parents of Jamal. And finally, for the parents of Keisha Black. Keisha's average is 91. Is that true? Keisha's is 91 average grade. So this is right. Now the merge is completed, and this is how you do mail merge. Now, as an exercise, what you can do, you can add more students here. You can say Kevin Smith, or Lakeisha Brown, or Lakeisha Jefferson. You can create any subject. It could be science, could be math, could be geography, can be biology, physics, chemistry, any of those. And the class periods you can create it too, assign it. And the average grade, you can also do it for each one of the students. Do the same procedure, and you will be able to create more letters automatically in MailMerge. Okay, this is your instructor Felicio Yankee. Thank you very much for watching this video. Till the next time. Bye bye.